Another important premarital medical test you need to do is blood group and the rhesus factor. This is done to know your blood group and to know if you are rhesus negative or rhesus positive. Because if you are a female with a rhesus negative blood married to a rhesus positive blood, and your child now takes after the father, which is rhesus positive, after delivery of the baby, you need to take an injection called RhoGAM to prevent recurrent abortion and stillbirth in the future. People with rhesus positive blood are just 85% worldwide, while people with negative rhesus factor are just 15%. So the possibility of you marrying a rhesus positive blood is very high. Let me quickly explain why you need to take the injection after delivery or after the end of each pregnancy of a rhesus positive fetus, either you carry the pregnancy to term or not. Rhesus positive means you have certain protein on the surface of your red blood cells, while rhesus negative means you don't have this protein on the surface of your red blood cells. So if you are a rhesus negative woman and you are married to a rhesus positive husband, and your child now takes after the father's rhesus factor, which is rhesus positive, your whole blood, we see the baby's blood as a foreign body, as a threat, now begins to produce antibodies, which are body soldiers to fight the baby by destroying the blood cells of the baby. But by the time the body will finish producing these antibodies, the baby will be born. So the RhoGAM injection will now be given to kill those antibodies already produced in your blood, to make the environment safe for the future pregnancy. But if you don't take the injection, those antibodies, those body soldiers will be at attention waiting for that type of foreign body again, which is the rhesus positive fetus. So if you now get pregnant again with a rhesus positive fetus, the already produced antibodies now begin to destroy the blood cells of the baby, leading to abortion or stillbirth. But if you are pregnant with a rhesus negative fetus and you now give birth, there's no need for you to take RhoGAM, because your blood sees the baby's blood as friends. So as friends, there's no threat, there's no fight, no antibodies is produced, so no RhoGAM is needed to kill any antibodies. That is why you need to know your blood group and the rhesus factors before you get married, to prevent recurrent abortions and stillbirths.